Hello, welcome to Tax Tip Tuesdays with Tenenbaum Law. Today's tax tip is about collection due process. A collection due process hearing is a tool available to taxpayers to level the playing field when challenging claims from the IRS in regards to a person's tax debt. If you have an unresolved or outstanding debt to the IRS, they may attempt collection by filing a notice of federal tax lien or by filing a bank levy on your personal assets. These assets can be your bank account, retirement and investment accounts, and any properties in your name, putting a cloud on that property's title. If you disagree with the validity or the amount of tax the IRS is demanding, you can request a collection due process hearing. A CDP hearing is an opportunity to be heard by an impartial entity, completely separate from the IRS, to draw its own conclusions based on the facts and evidence presented. Plus, by timely requesting the CDP hearing, the IRS must stop collections on the debt until after the hearing takes place. Be sure to act fast. You only have 30 days after receiving that notice to make your request. To learn more about CDP hearings, visit the link below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you next Tuesday.